Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to hide rows in Excel. So I want to hide my rows in Excel. Let's say I want to hide these rows down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these rows here, and then I'm going to right click, and then you can see where it says hide, and then I'm going to hide this. So another way in which you can hide this is by going to your data, then you can go to your outline section, and then I'm going to group. So I'm just going to highlight this, and then I'm going to group it. So I'm going to click on group. So once I've done this, you can see I'm able to hide my rows. So guys, thank you for watching today's video.